Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Optima S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 185 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display and cruise control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.